Welcome to the Civil 3D course. In today's session, we'll cover how to import a CSV file into Civil 3D. Prepare your data in Excel. Before importing, ensure your data is correctly formatted in Excel. The sheet must include only the following columns: point number, easting and northing coordinate in separate column, elevation. Avoid using any text, symbols, or unnecessary data in the sheet. Save the file in the CSV, delimited format on your computer. Open Civil 3D and save your file. Launch Civil 3D and create a new drawing. Save your file with a name of your choice, importing points, or whatever you want. Navigate to the Tool space. Go to the Tool space tab, which you can find on the left-hand side of the interface. In the small window that appears, select the Points tab. Alternatively, you can click the Points option directly from the main ribbon. Access the Point Creation tools. Open the Point Creation tool from the Points tab. In the tool, find and click the Import Points option, located in the top right corner. Import your CSV file. In the Import Points dialog box, click the plus symbol button at the top to add your CSV file. Locate and select your saved CSV file. Choose the correct file format. Since our file is in PNG, delimited format, select this option. You can assign a name to your point group, for example, e.g., existing ground data. Please keep in your mind if you're using another format, ensure your datasheet matches the format requirements. Display imported points. Once the file is imported, the points will appear in your drawing. To zoom into the points, press Z on your keyboard and press the Enter button. Then, press E and press Enter again. This will display all the points on the screen. That's it. In the next session, we'll explore more tools to manage and analyze these points. If you have any questions or need further clarification, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Civil 3D tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.